I remember that years before I became the president of the Workmen's Circle, there used to be, each 2 years, the club, the National Social Club, would circulate to various people they thought were potential members of the executive board and ask, do you want to be nominated for the National Executive Board? And for years and years and years, I said no. And all of a sudden, one year, I think it was 1974, I changed my mind. I said yes. I can't tell you what made me decide that. Probably because I was more settled in my professional life. I wasn't running around getting training and going here and going there. I was pretty settled. So I took it. And they said, tough, we've got our slate all made this year, so you can't do it this year, but we can do it the next time. So they did it in I think it was 78. And I was elected to the executive board, which is the ruling body of the Workmen's Circle. Yussel, who knew me from various places, including camp, came to me and he said, would you be a member of our educational committee? The organization ran by various standing committees, and there was an educational committee that was in charge of the Schulen, which he said, actually what he said precisely was, "Efsher willst du uns helfen in der Schulkomitee?" I said, sure. So I was at that for 2 years. Then the following 2 years, I was the chairman of that committee. I got promoted all of a sudden.